Alright, so this is our new small square baler. We just bought it. It's a new Holland, as you can see. Extra wide pickup width and has the acid treatment, acid applicator, or whatever you call it. My dad's just figuring out in the book how it works because these things are pretty complicated. As you can see, we have our it's all computerized and electronic, and yeah, all kinds of sensors. Holds a lot of twine, a lot more than our old one. And the purpose of that acid applicator is so when the hay's not quite ready, like it's still a little bit too wet, you add that, so it adds it to the hay and then it doesn't mold on you when it's in a bale. We have it hooked up to our 150 John Deere. We have it on this one. It doesn't need this much horsepower at all, but we have it because it has a super fast hydraulic pump or whatever. Meant to have duals too in this one. Might as well show you in the cab too. Passenger seat, climate control, heat, cold, whatever you want. And it has a computer screen. That's going to be tied into this new baler. Not quite sure how that works yet, but we'll figure it out.